All right, my friends, here's the deal. I got the desk out. Now, if you can see that metal bar, that's where I'm going to put some more plus nuts on it. We're going to bolt that bench couch to that. It'll be strong as can be. But as you can see, there's my Alpha Cool fridge. And this space is about 36 inches wide. I got to have that gap for the cables. And I'll have openings on the side so that fridge can breathe, but I am probably going to have to put a vent somewhere towards the center of that bench, so there is air for that compressor. AC is on the way. That's been ordered. There's going to be a vent that's going to go right where my finger on that door. Another, great return vent, so it will return air into that AC unit under the bed. And there is a huge gap back there between the door and the bed, which will also pull air return. And the duct is going to come right where that grid is right there. It's going to have a vent come up right there. It's going to blow air into the room. So that's done. As for the sliding door window, well, the sliding door window, you're not going to get Safe Light to do it. They don't do that kind of work. No, they don't. We're going to do it ourselves. I've got the kit and everything. I'm not afraid. We cut a hole in the roof of this van, and it's the cutout on this thing here is easy. In fact, let me show you the cutout. Sorry about it. It went dark here. Sorry about that. The cutout is easy. This is just the window cover to be on. That's those Explorer Outfitter covers that I've mentioned. But basically, we're going to cut this, just cut right here to the inside. In videos I've seen it done, they did this to where if you cut this inset right here, this is a template for that window. We'll have to cut across right where that line is, straight across and around. As long as we take this thing up right and do it like it needs to be, I'm not afraid of it. Like I said, we cut a hole in the roof of that van for a vent fan. I'm not afraid of it. We can do this. And I'm pretty sure it's not a problem at all. So anyway, that's the update on that. But I'm going to go to Lowe's here today and see if I can find the materials to start framing this. This ought to be interesting. I'll keep you posted. Be cool. Bye.